Marshall, Arnaud and Mehdi.
Watch, dimples in your necktie, Hermes briefcase, Cartier top clips, silk line blazers, diamond cream facials, BBS cufflinks, 6-star pink sweets. Partner, let me upgrade you, grade you. Partner, let me upgrade you, grade you. Let me upgrade you, grade you. Partner, let me upgrade you.
Hello, I'm David Walliams and you are YouTube. To see more amazing videos from Britain's Got Talent, just click on the button below. And if you subscribe to the channel, my Simon will love you forever, just like he does me. He does love me, yeah, he does.